So this is the demonstration for the green electricity indicator. At the moment I have it plugged into my laptop and it's running the code. So the purpose of the green electricity indicator is to indicate what is the level of the CO2 intensity on the air grid. Now at the moment it's in state 1, which means the CO2 intensity is a level is medium. And so as you can see here on the serial monitor, the CO2 intensity in the percentages is 0.37. So in the code, it's in state 1. So the yellow LED is on, which it is, and it is sending an email. There we go. So at 8:07 today, I received an email to notify me that the CO2 intensity level is medium. Now, if during the day factors change like the wind or any renewables change, or if coal and gas are used more often, the CO2 intensity will increase. So right here in the units, the total without exports are floats being added up. As you can see, same with CO2. Now, if we were to compare this to the actual EarGrid dashboard, which is the information is get taken from, all the information is requested off the fuel mix, and these strings right here are used as are deserialized using Arduino JSON to use as floats. So if I was just to get the serial monitor up here, as you can see right here, it says the CO2 intensity level is 0.37. So if we were to add fuel, coal and gas together, it would be around 36.78%, which is off just a bit, but since floats can only use up to 7 digital values, there's more values that could be deserialized, but due to the limit of the ESP32, a certain amount of these values are only able to be requested off the EarGrid dashboard. Now these values are updated every 15 minutes. So it's 8 o'clock at the moment. At 8:15, there'll be new values to be deserialized using Arduino JSON. The whole purpose of the green electricity indicator is for household owners or industries to be more aware of what's generating the electricity on the air grid. So at the moment, there's 37% of the energy is generating CO2, as indicated by the yellow LED. But let's just say the owner of the indicator is not in the same room as the indicator. Let's say the indicator is in the kitchen and the owner is in the sit room. Every 20 minutes, they will get a notification via email to the phone to indicate what the level of CO2 intensity is. Even if one of these LEDs were to blow up or not work anymore, the owner will still be getting emails to notify them of the CO2 intensity level. It helps them be more aware of the CO2 intensity level, so they can decide rather if the level is high, which means the red LED will be on. They can turn off appliances that are no need of use, or if it's low and it's in green, they can decide to turn on appliances that they need and not run the risk of increasing the carbon footprint. And that is the green electricity indicator.